and also just monitoring the results of the NFP. It wasn't looking great for CAD. However, the news is irrelevant to what the pairs are going to do, because the pairs are going to do what they want to do regardless of the news. The news is just a filter for price to go where they want to go to quicker, right? So when it's positive, then it makes the move quicker. When it's negative, it just gives us a pullback. All right, so always view price like this. When you're expecting the news, if price is already in a direction, expect price to continue going in that direction. When the news is positive, it's gonna just make the direction quicker, and when the news is negative, it's just gonna offer a pullback. So when you understand that and the news is negative, for example CAD, as we're expecting price to continue going up, the news came negative, it just offered a pullback. So just price continue doing what it was doing prior to the news.